Good job, buddy. All right, are they all done? Now you're going to put the states in? All right.
But what does Arizona have? Does Arizona have? Does Arizona have? Oh, let's start over.
No problem.
Okay, I don't better.
No, we don't need to start that over. We did good. Let's just, you want me to just start the video over, you mean? You want to do it good?
Yeah.
You're doing great, buddy. What's that state?
California.
Perfect.
But we need to do Washington first.
No, okay. Washington.
And then Oregon. And then California. Now we have to do California.
Okay.
And we have to do Nevada.
Which one is that?
I said Nevada.
Okay.
I said Nevada.
Okay.
But Arizona
Nice.
or Idaho, Wyoming.
Oh, Wyoming? Nice.
This state, Texas, and this state.
What's that one you're putting in right now?
It was.
Oh. What's next to Idaho?
Montana.
That's it.
And we have to do this one,
Colorado.
and this one,
Which is that? What's that one?
Utah.
Utah.
So we have to do this one.
You're getting really fast at this. Which one was that? Wow.
It was Nebraska.
Yep. So you've basically done the whole west coast and west side of the country.
Okay.
Now you're going to do like Midwest.
Enough to do. This one, Florida.
Florida.
And Minnesota.
Minnesota. Good job, buddy.